Most drivers in the USA think they are safe, but one small mistake can cost you $500 or even your life. Rule number 1. Never pass a school bus when its red lights are flashing. This is a major violation in all 50 states. I have seen many accidents because drivers were in a hurry. Always wait for the stop arm to retract before you move your car. Rule number 2. A stop sign means a full stop, not a rolling stop. Your wheels must stop moving completely for 3 seconds. Rule number 3 is the move over law. If you see a police car or ambulance on the shoulder with lights flashing, you must change lanes or slow down significantly. Ignoring this rule is extremely dangerous for emergency workers and can result in heavy fines or even jail time in states like Florida or Texas. Rule number 4. In most US states, you can turn right on a red light after a complete stop, but watch out for no turn on red signs, especially in New York City. Rule number 5. Many drivers get confused at yield signs and roundabouts. Remember, you must give way to the traffic already inside the circle. Never cut them off. When a police officer pulls you over, never reach into your glove box or under the seat quickly. Keep your hands on the steering wheel until the officer asks for your documents. Driving in the USA is a privilege, not a right. Follow these rules to stay safe and save money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more road safety tips. Another big mistake is ignoring school zone speed limits. When the yellow lights are flashing, the limit drops to 15 or 20 miles per hour. Cops are very strict here, and fines are often doubled. What do you do when a fire truck or ambulance is behind you? You must pull over to the right curb and stop completely. Never try to outrun an emergency vehicle. Lastly, watch out for HOV or carpool lanes. These are only for cars with 2 or more people. If you drive alone in this lane, the cameras will catch you and send a heavy ticket to your home.